Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, July 31st. It's the end of the month and it's been a defensive month for grain and oilseed prices. We have, as we speak right now, without the day being done as of yet, we have wheat prices for the month down around 50 cents, corn prices down 55 cents, the bean market, depending on spreads, down anywhere from $1 to 75 cents. Same thing with the meal, with the spreads down $40 to $20, and the soybean oil market down 285 points. Crop ratings, weather, and monthly supply and demand tables from the USDA, both for the US and for the world, pretty much the lead drivers for the prices being down for the month that we've seen so far. Overnight, we've kind of had a mixed trade. We've got the corn market down around 1 cent, wheat down 2. Got the beans mixed. We got them anywhere from up 4 to unchanged. We got the meal market up around $3.50 to maybe $1, and the soybean oil market down around 10 points. It's first notice day for the August soybean contracts, and as expected, we saw no bean and or meal deliveries. We saw 999 soybean oil. Looks like it was issued and stopped by the street. The lack of bean and meal deliveries is probably given the overnight support for the nearby August beans and meal as far as trading decisions go. As far as other news that'll be coming out later on this morning, we'll be getting our weekly sales numbers. The trade is looking for large corn, bean, and moderate wheat deliveries based on the daily announcements we saw from the USDA throughout the week. So that's also given the bean market, and it's also given the markets a little bit of a support in the overnight trade from a little bit of a defensive posture ahead of those sales numbers that are going to be coming out shortly. Other than that, all the other news is kind of on the quiet side. Argentina seems like they didn't come to an agreement or look like they're going to default on their debt. And that may lead to a little bit of a lack of farmer selling down there, potentially keeping us in the ballgame as far as bean business goes. But obviously the more focus is on what's going on with weather and crop ratings for the beans and corn going forward. We're coming into the important time period of August for the bean crop, and at this stage of the game, the weather forecasts still look quite favorable and keeping the crop conditions enhanced, keeping both yield and carryout numbers large, and thus part of the reason why we don't get any buying interest in the corn, and perhaps part of the sell-off that we saw in the beans and meal yesterday. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.